Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I'm in the middle of my preparation phase for the upcoming season right now, so I thought I would walk you through my process and thoughts. I will divide this into three topics. It's gear preparation, physical preparation, and mental preparation. So this one will be about my gear preparation. I won't deep dive into the specifics here, but there will be videos about my rifle setup, clothes, bags, and so on further on. This will cover how I think, plan, and prepare for all the gear that I will use for the coming season. First of all, I make sure that I have all my need to have ready. My barrels are ready for the season. This year I have two 6mm BR barrels and I have two 6.5 Creedmoor barrels. One is for matches and 1 hour for training. Also, I think I'm finally done with the load development for my Creedmoor as well. And sometimes you're both the problem and solution, and this time I was more of the problem than I was the solution. So now I can finally bulk up all the components that I need. So when I have the load that I'm satisfied with, I make sure I have enough powder, brass, primers, and bullets for the complete season, and also try to get it from the same batch. I don't want or need the stress from trying to find components during the season or the risk of anything not being as good as the previous batches. I want to feel confident with my components so I can rule out that they are the problem if something happens. This applies to everything I know that I will be needing during the season, from gun cleaning products to my 24-hour rations. I try to buy so I have at least enough for the next season. It's not only for the sole reason that I want to secure the availability of my components, but also to get better prices if you buy in big packs. Normally I have like a test period until the end of February, which means that I have that time to test and replace gear, and when that window closes, that's what I will be running for the 2024 season. I don't change anything during the season unless I break anything or there's an upgrade to an existing product. Before I did this, I was like the master of changing stuff mid-season, believing that it would help me. After changing to a stock and keeping the gun as clean as possible, I have never performed as good as I have now. If I minimize my options, I perform much better. By now, I almost have everything I need since I've been competing for a couple of years and bought something new each year. In other words, when the season starts, I have everything I need for the entire season, and I know exactly what to do and how to use it. So I try to keep it as simple as possible. I don't change stuff mid-season. I have tested everything that I will be using during the season before the season starts. I feel confident with the gear I have and how to run it, so that's been a winning combo for me.